Hey everybody, welcome to Glam Queen of DIY. I'm Tammy and this is my Christmas in July 2022 series. So what is it going to be today? I'm going to be showing you my first tree unboxing and fluffing and showing you all of my Christmas decor. Don't forget to always inspire each other. And just leave me a comment down below what you think about this fabulous tree unboxing and fluffing. Alright, so grab your coffee and your tea and let's get this Christmas in July 2022 series tree unboxing and fluffing video started. Now you guys, here are my decor that I will be using for this one tree here. And I will give you a disclaimer, guys. We're gonna have a total of 4 trees for this 2022 Christmas in July series. So we always start first by pulling the tree out. Now we're gonna open up the tree stand and get this tree fluffing started. This is what the bottom portion of that tree looked like, fluff. Now you guys, I will tell you, it did take me a total of close to 1 hour to fully fluff this tree. guys, make sure you do check out my Christmas 2021 playlist. I have dropped that down in my description box as well if you're looking for any type of Christmas inspiration.
Come on over, let's pick up where we left off. You and I had lots of love just to top it off. We can wind it down for days, never let it stop. I just want your everything, baby. Maybe later we can dance, never let go. Listen to our favorite songs on the radio. Losing up and lose ourselves to this feeling, oh. I just want your everything, baby. I'll be deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. Moon is rising and the stars are coming out, but we miss it 'cause we're way down on the ground. Ain't nobody interrupting if we decide. I just need a night with you, baby. Yeah. Then we be blinded by the lights, oh. We get this feeling, oh so right, oh. I'm so over being sober, you're all I know. I just need a night with you. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love.
And to you guys, make sure you do stay tuned for my Christmas in July 2022 series. Now we're going to just go ahead and add the lights, and we're going to just get these lights added so we can get this tree set up.
Deep under your influence tonight. Ooh, keep it coming, babe. I don't mind another round. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love. I can't get enough of my baby. I'ma be wasted love, wasted love. I'm spilling liquor on the carpet, on the couch. I feel it dripping from my mouth. Drinking from your bottle, baby. Calling it wasted love, wasted love.
Now still make sure that if you have not subscribed to the Glam Queen brand, you check that description box and click on all of those links. That's the Glam Queen of DIY, Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Blogs. You will be getting regular content uploaded on all of these channels, so make sure you become a part of that family. I hope this gave you some inspiration. Now, if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make the next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.